these 3 points with you. Okay, you did in IMC3, you created a presentation on animals, remember? Okay, and then you learn how to insert graphics, how to insert audio, how to insert video. IMC5, you are going to learn the following 4 skills. Slide master, insert table, internal links. Okay, you notice on the last 2 bullets, they are both links but they have different names. One is internal and one is external. What's the difference? Turn to the last slide. From slide 1 to slide 3, these are internal links inside the presentation. Okay? Another type of link, external links. What does it mean by external?
Outside presentation.
Correct. Okay, so outside presentation slides, example, I can click on something, it brings me to a website. Click on something, to open up the Word document. Okay, so I've created this. Let me open this. End of this lesson. Okay, give it some time. Huh? Okay, so this is what you need to create. I want you to pay very close attention to the position of the logo at the top right hand corner. Okay, I'm going to move. Slide 2. Okay, I have 5 animals. Okay, can I go to rhinoceros? Rhinoceros. I don't want elephant, otter. I skip to rhinoceros. I click on this link. Straight away it brings me to the slide on the rhinoceros. What kind of link is this?
Internal.
Yes, internal link, because it's still within the presentation slide, right? Okay, and action button. Remember your action button left and right?
Yes.
How come you cannot see my mouse?
Because very small, right?
Okay, so I click on next slide. Okay, using the arrow pointing to the right, it brings me to zebra. Okay, and the last slide has a table, and I click here for our website. How come cannot see? To our website. Okay, later you try. Okay, my website, where's my website? This website. Cannot see. Give me a minute. Yep, okay, so you will automatically link me to this website. So this is external link.
Yes.
Okay, remember just now at the start, I asked you to pay attention to the position of the logo. Can you tell me as I move along the slides, did the position of the logo change?
No.
It's always at the same position, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is like a template like that. Okay, how do we do it? Okay, we are going to use this thing called Slide Master. This is your end product, huh? Okay. Can you open your laptop now? We'll do together. Open up a PowerPoint. Which question have we done? We have part A, B, C. Which part have we done?
A.
Part A. We have done it. Put a tick. Open up a PowerPoint file. Okay, choose blank presentation. Okay, you will see this. Save your file as zoo underscore your name. Okay, as usual, can you put in your index number? Index number. I don't want index number, I want class. Class underscore index number underscore zoo your name. Okay, because all of you are from different class. File, save as. Okay, and then you save inside your workspace. I will save mine on my desktop. Class, okay, let's say I'm from 1-4. Index number 40, my name. Okay, and before my name, it must be Zoo, right? It should look like that. Slide 3 to 7 should look like that. And slide 8 should look like that. So altogether, how many slides are there? 8. Okay, go back to your PowerPoint slide.
Thank you.
Go to home, this button, new slide. Make sure there are 8.
I'm done.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Okay, this one easy peasy, huh? Okay, let's go to the first slide. Can you click on first slide? First slide. Based on the question, how does slide 1 look like? Slide 1 is the title slide, right? So what's the title of this presentation? Yes, my favorite animals in the zoo. And then you must type done by A dot student. Okay, can you do this now? Type must be exactly the same. Okay, done. Control S, Control S. Okay, done. Okay, some of your seniors in Set 4, they have forgotten about this already. Okay, so just remember when I showed you the finished product, all the logo looks the same at the same position, right? Okay, so the folder that you copy, inside the folder, there's this file named logo that appears in every slide, you see?
Yeah.
First slide, there's logo. Slide 2, there's logo. Slide 3 to 7, there's also logo. Slide 8, there's also logo at the same position. Okay, so how to use the slide master to insert this same logo at the same position? Okay, you go to View, Master. Okay, you will see this view at the left panel. View tab, go to View tab, Slide Master. View, go to View tab, on top View, Slide Master. Okay, here, this button. Okay, this left hand panel will appear. Scroll all the way up until you see one here, because sometimes they may only show the third rectangle. Slide, go all the way up, you will see one. This logo. Okay, so I mouse over to the first rectangle. Can you mouse over to the first, just put your cursor over the first rectangle. What does it say?
It's just my favorite animal in the zoo.
It says 2 8. So that means this slide template is used by all the 8 slides. Okay, which is just what I want. Okay, so I'm going to click on the very first slide on top. Picture. I'm inserting the logo now. So you go to the first slide. Make sure you're at the first slide. Insert picture. This device. Okay, then you go to your workspace, go and get the logo. Mine is at the desktop. Yes, okay, the name is called logo. Then this name. Logo. Yes, okay? What do you notice?
All the slides got.
Yes, all the slides got this picture. But is it at the correct place? No. Is it too big? Yes, right. Okay, go and resize it. Click on it. Okay, and then resize it proportionally. Adjust the corners. Okay, don't use the side, corners. And then, which corner do they want you to place? Top right. Don't block the words, Okay, so you put here. Then you notice, the same thing, the same changes were observed in the rest of the slides. Template, all the rest of the slides will follow. Okay? Position?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. You have learned the first skill, slide master. Slide 2, I need to type this information.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go to slide 2. Okay, can we type together? Elephant. What's the black circle at the side called? Circle called? Bullets, okay? Bullets to make a list, okay? You create a bulleted list. Okay, so by default, okay, PowerPoint already created for you, so you just continue. To go on to the second line, just click enter, yes. Enter. Okay, first 2 slides. Any problem? Workbook. Slide 3, look at the layout. On top, I need to type the name of the animal as the title. Left hand side, they say must have an image or video, appropriate one, cannot be the slide talking about the slide title is zebra and then you show a rhinoceros, right? Okay, so make sure you put in the correct graphic or video. Okay, right hand side, use the text from description. Okay, can you go to your IMC5 folder now? Do you have this file? Okay, just stop the previous slide.
Okay, can.
Navigation button at the bottom left corner and also the bottom right corner. Okay, let's go to my slide 3. Slide 3. Make sure you're at slide 3.
Teacher.
Go to inserts. Inserts. Do that now, everyone. I don't want to hear anyone interrupting.
Okay.
Shapes. Action button is all the way to the bottom, the last row. I want to insert the navigation button to link to the previous slide. So it will be the first one. Okay, draw. Place it at the bottom left corner. Then automatically this dialog box will appear. Check. Under here, hyperlink to previous slide. Okay, is this what you want? Yes, right? Okay, so click OK. Okay, I'm doing for the action button to the next slide next. Shapes all the way to the bottom action buttons. Okay, choose the second one. Second one says action button go forward or next. Okay, second one. Okay, click draw at the bottom right corner because this is what the instruction in the workbook say. Okay, check hyperlink to next slide. Okay, make sure it's at the correct thing. Next slide. Okay, if it's the wrong slide, and choose the slide that you want. Okay. Okay, click OK. Not done yet. Okay, you notice I notice some of you have two buttons, one bigger, one smaller. How to make the same, exactly the same size? This is for presentation wise. Okay, put it correctly. Okay, I want this size. I want all my buttons to be on this size. How do I know how big this button is?
Just put another into
I go to shape format. Shape format at the right hand side. Okay, they indicate the dimension. So you can see mine says 0.91, 1.23. So remember 0.91, 1.23. Click on your bigger action button. Go to the same thing, shape format 0.91, 1.23. Enter. Okay, so you see they are of the same size. Okay, and then align them properly. If they are placed in a horizontal line, you will be able to see the two dotted lines, the two red color dotted lines. That means they are aligned properly already. Okay, then 3 to slide 4, 5, 6, and 7 because question say 3 to 7, correct? Must be in these two positions. Other slides. Okay, I copy my this button first. Right click, copy, go to slide 4, right click, paste. Choose the first one please. The second one is it will not be in the correct position. First one. Okay, or shortcut, go to slide 5, Control V. Control V, slide 6, slide 7, Control V. Is to reduce your work. You don't want to be creating so many action buttons from scratch, right? Then later, who is done already? Can I move on? Next page, slide 8. Hey, who's that? What button do they want? They want the home button which links to where? First slide, home button. Okay, can you go to slide 8 now? Your very last slide. Okay, insert, shape, last row, choose the home. And then you draw. Make sure it says hyperlink to first slide. Okay. Okay, so it's basically the same step, just different logo. To your description. description form, this documents. What is the first animal? Elephant. Okay, so what book that says title name of animal? So the first animal should be elephant. Type in slide 3, elephant. Okay. Then based on your question, left hand side, should it be text or should it be graphic? Image, right? Because here, left box, they point image or video, okay, from data source file. Okay, so you look at what are you given. Look at the files that you are given. IMC5, elephant. What kind of file is this? JPG. Remember last lesson we went through JPG. What kind of file is this? JPG. To my elephant. Okay, the bigger box. Okay, there's a shortcut here. Okay, mouse over. Then choose elephant. Okay, this elephant very big, right? I need to resize this. Okay, and then if I don't want to show so much grass, what should I do? I don't want to show the grass at the right hand side. Yes, I crop. I click on this, crop. Okay, this one is your preference. I just want to make the elephant bigger. Whether you want to crop or not, I leave it to you. Okay, this one is not the main point. Say use the text. So the text is from the description, correct? This paragraph, this whole paragraph. Okay, now I need to have a place to put this text. Okay, go to your PowerPoint. Okay, this one important now, everyone. Okay, can you highlight this elephant text? This is the one that I'm going to copy over. I'm not going to type word for word, too time consuming. Copy this, highlight, copy, or shortcut Ctrl C. Go to your PowerPoint, right click, paste, choose the first one. Okay, so your text is here. But if I show this, let's say I present this in the hall, nobody can see the text. Why? Yes, I need to make this bigger. Okay, so I click on the box, I change the font size. Currently it's 18. I make it bigger, 28. Now can see already. Make sure the words are not blocked by anything. Okay, so this is just for elephant. Okay, then they say point E. Point E, since you are not an elephant. On the slide for elephant, insert this sound. This sound, Ellie sound, yes. Okay, so remember how to insert sound? Insert audio on my PC, and then you go and choose your file. Ellie sound. Okay, over here. Okay, let me switch on my speaker. So this is how you insert sound. Okay, slide 4 to 7 is basically the same thing. Okay, just that they ask you to insert graphic or video or audio. Okay, I don't want to hear any more elephant sound. Okay, slide 8. Slide 8, based on the description, the title is other information. Okay, so you go and type in slide 8 title, other information. Okay? And what else? In slide 8, there's this thing called a table. Table, I need to create this table that shows the prices of the tickets. Okay, can you tell me how many rows and how many columns are there? Rows are horizontal, right? I have one row for tickets, another row for the categories, And the third row for the prizes. So altogether, how many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? First column, second column, third column. Okay, so I need to create a 3 by 3 table. Okay, so go to Insert, Table, highlight 3 rows and 3 columns. Insert, Table, highlight 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so you have it. Merge the cells, highlight the first row, right click, and in the list choose merge cells. Okay, go. The first row, highlight the first row, highlight, click and drag, highlight the first row. Okay, next thing, right click, in the list select merge cells. Okay, then you will see that there are no lines in between, in the middle of the 3 boxes. Okay. Okay, let me copy and paste. Center align. Okay, is this all for slide 8? No, okay. This is my original slide. Click here for our website. Click on the here. It should bring me to the Zoo's website. Okay, what kind of link is this? Yes, very good. Okay, so can you type in your below the table? Okay, there's no box for you to type, right? Go to Insert, Text Box. Draw horizontal text box so that you can add in words, and then you draw a box. Okay, so that you can type something. Okay, click here. Click here for our website. Okay, alternatively you can copy and paste also. Okay, make sure it's the same font size, 28. Okay, but you realize my click here has a line, and then I gave you the website, right? Okay, this is external link. I want everyone to listen. Okay, can you highlight this link in the description? Highlight just the link. Do not highlight the bracket, if not go to the wrong website. Okay, highlight this. Copy. Okay, we are going to link to this website. Okay, highlight this link, copy. Go to your presentation. Highlight this here because I'm going to ask the person to click here. Okay. Right click. Okay, highlight the word here, right click. You see the word link in the list? Yes, click. Okay, then you got a few options at the left hand side. Do you want to link to existing file or web page? Is this what we are going to do? Are we going to link to a web page? Yes, okay, so make sure this is selected. Over here at the bottom, okay, paste the URL. Okay, paste the website. Then we have just copied. Okay, so paste. Right click, paste. Okay, then click OK. Okay, then you see automatically the word here will have underline, will be blue color. Okay, test, slideshow. You click on the here button. Okay, in your laptop it should open up the website automatically, but I don't know why it's not showing here.
Okay, now you all need to save your work.
Save your work. Then Mr. Non, okay, you watch the video. You will be placed inside this IMC5, all the videos. Okay.